Yo, my name is Joey D. My last name's too long for me to remember.
My name is Mark, but people call me the Sanitation because I'm trash.
Yo, my name's Akela. People call me Salad Cookies. Duh.
Number one rule in this house, be sexy. Look at these guns, baby. I'm hot. I'm loaded.
Hey, party's here.
Yeah, Cookie, she's crazy. She hit those juice boxes hard, bro. Cookie, yeah, she's kind of bossy.
Joey, stop talking with your mouth full.
So Cookie and I really hit it off. Hey, Cookie.
Do you want a color?
Sure. I like unicorns too.
He's like a bad color. He doesn't stay in the lines. Do you want a color?
But I thought you wanted to color with me.
Whatever, I'm just trying to party in Montana.
Yeah, look at my muscles. Look at my muscles. Yeah. 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 Yeah.
So Joey and I are friends, but this one time...
Yo, what's up?
Dude!
What? My mom packed my wrong jammies.
And a new roommate's come to town to start trouble.